Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flow with Paul and Nick. It's a beautiful day here, but wow, it feels very hot.
Paul, you just said very hot. That's today's topic.
Oh no, you caught me. That's right. Today we'll learn better ways to say very hot.
Exactly, because native speakers almost never say very hot. They use words like boiling, scorching, burning, or even sweltering.
Oof, those sound intense. So grab a cold drink. You'll need it for this lesson.
Boiling. It's perfect when the weather or a drink is extremely hot.
Like, the soup is boiling, or it's boiling outside today.
Exactly, and it's fun to exaggerate. I'm boiling alive in this heat.
That's true, but please don't say that while drinking coffee.
Right, safety first.
So, if your friend says, it's very hot, you can say, oh yeah, it's boiling. That sounds natural.
Scorching. I love this one. It sounds a bit dramatic, like you're melting.
Yeah, you can say it's scorching today, or the sand is scorching hot.
Right, like when you walk on the beach and your feet are on fire.
Ouch, I've been there. The sand was scorching, but the ocean was perfect.
It's such a good balance. Pain and pleasure.
You make everything sound like a beach commercial.
Burning is another strong one. It means something is so hot it could hurt you.
For example, don't touch that pan. It's burning hot.
Or emotionally, my face is burning from embarrassment.
Ooh, I've felt that. Especially when I speak too fast and forget my English words.
Happens to everyone, even teachers.
This next one sounds really cool. Blazing. It's like something is shining with fire or extreme heat.
You can say the sun is blazing in the sky, or it's a blazing hot day.
It's strong but positive, like, wow, the sun is blazing. Let's go to the pool.
Yes, blazing makes the scene feel alive, like an action movie.
Coming soon, blazing summer, the hottest season ever.
I'd watch that movie.
Next one is sweltering. That's when it's so hot that you're sweating like crazy.
Ew, that's not very elegant, but it's true. You can say it's sweltering today or the subway is sweltering in summer.
Exactly. It's not just hot, it's uncomfortable hot.
Yes, like Tokyo in August. I couldn't breathe last year.
Same in New York. It's sweltering, sticky, and the air feels heavy.
Sizzling. Another fun one, sizzling. You hear this in cooking shows all the time.
Oh yeah, the bacon is sizzling in the pan.
But you can also say, it's sizzling outside.
So sizzling means hot and exciting, like a sizzling performance or a sizzling summer romance.
Ooh, spicy English.
Careful, Nick, this is still a classroom.
So, let's review. Instead of saying very hot, you can say boiling, scorching, burning, blazing, sweltering, or sizzling.
Exactly, and depending on the situation, each one feels a little different.
Yes, boiling is perfect for water or soup, scorching for the sun or sand, burning for things that can hurt your skin, blazing for dramatic weather or energy, sweltering for sticky, sweaty days, and sizzling for food or excitement.
Well done. You just summarized the whole English summer.
Let's make it more practical. Imagine this. You're walking down the street with a friend and they say, it's very hot today.
You can reply, tell me about it. It's boiling.
Or, yeah, it's scorching. I feel like I'm melting.
Or maybe it's sweltering. I need a cold drink ASAP.
And if you want to sound really expressive, say, it's blazing. Let's find some shade.
Perfect. It's all about sounding natural and expressive.
Time for a quick quiz. I'll say a sentence with very hot, and you change it to sound natural.
Let's go.
The soup is very hot.
The soup is boiling.
Good. Next, it's very hot on the beach today.
It's scorching on the beach today.
Nice. How about the pan is very hot?
The pan is burning hot.
Awesome. Last one. It's very hot in the city this week.
It's sweltering in the city this week.
Excellent. You're officially fluent in summer vocabulary.
You know what else? When native speakers talk about heat, they use idioms too.
Really? Like what?
Like,
It's hot as hell, or I'm melting, or I'm roasting.
Ah, yes, I've heard I'm roasting before. That's another fun way to say you're super hot.
Right, but be careful with hot as hell because it's very informal.
Got it. Use it with friends, not your boss.
Exactly.
You know what's funny? In some cultures, people love to talk about the weather. In others, not so much.
Yes, in the US or the UK, it's almost a national sport. Oh, it's so hot today. Yes, it's boiling. Instant small talk.
True, but in Japan, people often say atsui ne, and everyone just nods.
Right, same meaning, fewer words.
So next time you feel tempted to say very hot, remember all these cool alternatives.
Exactly. Make your English sound boiling good.
Paul, that's not a real phrase.
It is now. That's the magic of English. We invent, we play, and we learn.
Love that. And if you enjoyed this episode,
Subscribe and like.
see you next time on English Flow with Paul and Nick.